The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to enter the grant application in the Application tab and also the budget in the Budget tab. If you recall, in a previous video we used a Word template to go back and forth with all of the players to get the wording correct. Now that we have that, to enter that into the grant application, go to your list of grants, click on your grant. When it opens, you'll see the details that we had initially put in. That's under the Details tab. We're going to be working today with the Application tab and the Budget tab. If you open the Application tab, you'll see that the areas are the same as on the Word template. So the first thing we'll do is go into the general description, click on Edit. That opens up a Word document. And a critical point here, and I'll come back to it again, when you're done, before you leave any of these areas, the general description, community assessment, sustainability, and so on, you have to click Save, or when you come back to it, it won't be there. So let me go over here now, and we will copy the part of the application we need for here and paste it in. Click Save, and it's in the document. Do that for the remainder of the community assessment and impact, sustainability, cooperating organizations, and implementation plan. And that completes the Application tab. The Budget tab has two parts to it. Expected expenses, these are the items or the costs that you're going to have in the project, and then expected income. Expected income is where the money is coming from. So as a sample, I'll click on Add a Budget Item. And this is where you would put in the description. And I'll just make one up here. So let's say the description is meals for attendees. And the supplier we'll say is the food bank. All of the items should be in US dollars, so let's say this is $500. It carries down to the exchanged amount. Do not use the local tax area. There is a known flaw in ClubRunner. If you enter an item in the local tax, it takes a lot to unravel what you just did. So when you're done with that, click on Create, and it will bring you back to that item. For expected income, click on Add Project Financing. And here it would be where the money's coming from. So in this case, Lakewood Rotary. On the radio buttons, click on Club Other. So if you had another player in the grant, another agency that was contributing money, you'd use Club Other, and the same if you had other clubs involved. So we'll say this is the $7,000, and click Add, and it will come back to that. Now, having completed the Application and the Budget tab, all the information in those two tabs automatically pre-fill in the project overview. You do not need to do anything in the project overview. So when we get there, we can scroll through it, and you can see all of the information is there, as well as the budget items. In the next video, we'll come back to the Documents tab and how to set that up and organize and upload documents to the grant application. One other item while we're here, over in the district grant documents, there is the DCG Individual Project Report template. This is a good item to open and share with all of the participating agencies. This will be what goes into your final report, and it's good to start collecting the data right from the beginning.